nowadays everybody's shady and this and that, but you seem pretty looking up for a guy. Am I wrong about that, or?
Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you to PCBWay for making this repair possible. Speaking of PCBWay, they are the sponsor of my channel, and I cannot thank them enough for their support. They offer a variety of services ranging from standard PCBs, rigid flex PCBs, 3D printing, CNC machining, sheet metal, and vacuum molding, and the list goes on. They even offer PCB assembly, so if you don't want to solder something, you send them a file with a request to build it themselves with the BOM that you supply, and they will solder it for you and deliver you an awesome quality PCB. Same goes for 3D printing. If you find something online that you want 3D printed, send them the file and they will send you a 3D printed object.